Okay, for this video, I'm going to be doing a comparison of the Lukas Aquarelle 1862 Lemon Yellow versus the Daniel Smith Hansa Yellow Light. Same pigment color, PY3. All right. So I'm taking it straight out of the tube to my porcelain palette. While I swatch these, I'm going to talk a little bit about the price for these. The Lukas Aquarelle 1862. This is an estimated price. That I found on Amazon. I will be linking those in the description. I'm just wetting this. So the Lukas for 24 mil, which is quite a large tube, will last you a long time, is approximately $18 on Amazon. Okay, let's get I've been using Lukas paints for a couple of years now, and I have no complaints with them at all. They're good paints. And recently I just got some Daniel Smith ones that I've done some reviews on. And I've been researching colors to put onto a travel palette so that I can. I've been toying with the idea of plein air, and so I thought, well, let me compare some of the similar colors that I have. So now comes the showdown. All right, and for Daniel Smith, Hansa Yellow Light, for a 15 milliliter tube on Amazon, it's estimated to be $13. So not quite half. I mean, for 24 milliliter versus 15. Yeah, for $13. So, yeah, I'd say the price is pretty comparable. I think Lukas used to be a little bit cheaper, and I know that you can find deals on Jerry's as well. Jerry's Artorama, but I use Amazon a lot because I do have the Prime. Okay, now let's go into the Hansa Yellow Light. Wow, okay. Let's see if there's a difference here. I mean, you would think with it being both pigments the same, but when I did my comparison for the ultramarine, I was kind of surprised that there was a difference, I guess, in the binders or whatever, but that was in comparison with the Daniel Smith versus M. Graham, and I was curious about the Lukas. because as much as I love my M. Graham, I'm not sure if it's something I want to carry in a travel palette that may get tipped all different ways, because those M. Grahams, they're honey based, and so they don't dry completely down, say like the Daniel Smith or the Lukas. So there we are. I've swatched them down, and we will let them dry and be right back. Okay, so it's had time to dry. And first off, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, because in upcoming videos I will be doing more paint comparisons, as well as my 12 favorite colors that I will be putting on my travel palette. So back to the final thoughts. They're both beautiful. However, I did notice that the Lukas isn't completely transparent as the Daniel Smith. The Lukas does seem a bit more vibrant, but other than that, you guys, I cannot tell a difference. So, which one do you like best? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you so much.